the most kind-hearted well-wisher of ours. And therefore, he is the Pita, Mata, Pitahamasya Jagatas, Mata, Dhata, Pitamaha, Vedyam Pavitram Omkara Riksama Yajurevacha. So, Pitahama, I am the Mata, I am the Pita, I am the Dhata, I am the Lord, I am the Pitamaha. See, this Mata Pita is also a very, very beautiful concept. Supposing we have some problem. Now manifestation, our identity oda dhaan ukkarndirukkom. We are all in identity based existence. We all have our families. We have our body mind first, then we have our families. Supposing some difficulty comes to me, then whom will I go to? I will go to one of my immediate relatives. Then I will go to my circle of friends. Whereas if you don't understand God to be all that, then how will God help you? God is the one who is Pita. God is the one who is Mata. God is the one who is Bandhu. God is the one who is Bhrata. Understand that He is your, not just say, Tvameva Mata cha Pita, Tvameva Bandhu cha Saka, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam, Tvameva Sarvam Amade. It's very good to say it, because what happens is the moment you go on repeating something, it becomes the truth also for you and it becomes an experience. Undoubtedly. But try to make it an experience here and now. Turn to Him for everything. Because He says thereafter, Ananyas chintayanto mam ye janah pariupasate tesham nitya abhiyuktanam yoga kshemam vahamyam. The same chapter, 9th chapter is what he says. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye jana pariupasate. Ananya bhakti. At every point in time, be just completely dedicated to Him. And to such a one, what does he do? In the Kada irundadilla, like the footsteps on the sand. It's a very famous story, so I'm sure that every one of you will know that footsteps on the sand. There is this person who dies and goes to heaven. It is a typical story where there is an interaction with God after having dropped the body. So he goes and he asks, he sees his life as footsteps on the sand. This individual, this jiva who goes and talks to God, he sees the footsteps. There will be 2 steps at every part of his life. One, he says, who are these? He says, one is you, my child, and one is me. I was holding your hand and walking. God says this. So, 2 steps, that is, there will be 2 sets of footprints. One set of footprints is the individual soul who has gone up, and the other set of footprints is God's. God says. But then he sees in the mapping of his life, there will be one portion where he would have undergone great difficulty, very great trauma. And he will notice that at that period in time of the mapping of his life, there will be only one set of footprints. So he will say, God, I see there are only one set of footprints in this section where it was so traumatic for me. Was it so traumatic for me because you left me? That's why I was so traumatized, because you left me. You were holding my hand till then, but probably you left me there, and so I was traumatized. So why did you leave me? So God says, no, my child, those single set of footprints are mine because I was carrying you at that time. You could not have handled walking. I was carrying you. You couldn't have managed to walk even with me holding your hand. Poradu. It was not enough. If I had held your hand and walked you through that traumatic period, you couldn't have sustained. So I had to carry you. So I carried you at that time. It was the most traumatic period in my life. Oh God. And you were with me. Not only with you, my child, I was carrying you. And see, after that, again there are two sets of footprints till you reach me. So, what does Sri Krishna say? Sri Krishna says, Ananyas Chintayanto Mam, the ones who are in Ananya Bhakti to me, who are always dedicated to me, who are always thinking about me and doing upasana to me, Tesham, to them, Nitya Abhiyuktanam, because they are always united with me, Nitya Abhiyuktanam, Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. I carry them to yoga, to kshema, to goodness. I carry them. So in this very difficult identity-based existence, if we just have to do Ananya Bhakti, Ananyas Chintayanto Mam, think of him all the time, 24/7. And that is the upasana. Thinking of him all the time is the upasana to him. So, Tesham Nitya Abhiyuktanam Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. Mata Pita Nee Ellavo அப்படின்ட்டு நினைச்சிட்டு நீதான் எல்லாமே எனக்கு, you are everything for me.